everyone, my name is Megan Roosevelt and I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist, the founder of Healthy Grocery Girl, and spokesperson for Limoneira's One World of Citrus. And today I'm sharing with you 10 benefits of drinking lemon water. Lemons are rich in the antioxidant and immune-boosting vitamin C. Lemon water is a great way to support the body's immune system. You may think that lemons are acidic due to their tangy flavor. However, lemons have an alkalizing effect on the body once digested. Drinking warm water with lemon juice every morning may help maintain proper pH balance of the body. Lemon juice has antibacterial properties, which may help the body fight infections. Warm lemon water may help with weight loss. Research studies show that lemons support digestion and may increase the body's metabolic rate. Lemon's antibacterial properties can also support dental health and prevent gingivitis. Lemon water is a great way to stay hydrated. Plain water can get boring. Lemon water, or a combo of fresh lemon slices with fruit infused in water, is a fun, natural way to flavor and encourage drinking more water. Research studies have linked daily lemon consumption with helping to lower blood pressure, in combination with a heart-healthy diet and walking or regular exercise. Vitamin C supports collagen production, the wrinkle-preventing protein that's naturally found in skin. A study published in the American Society for Clinical Nutrition concluded that people who consume more vitamin C have less risk of developing wrinkles and dry skin, and lemons are rich in vitamin C. Warm lemon water can prevent constipation and encourage regular bowel movements. Lemons are nutrient-dense. Not only are they packed with vitamin C, lemons also contain calcium, iron, magnesium, and phosphorus. Lemon water is so refreshing. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the Limoneira YouTube channel, follow Limoneira on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and look for sustainably grown Limoneira Citrus next time you head to the grocery store. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!